Should your beard cover your upper lip? I've been playing with my facial hair since my teenage years. Sometimes I just get bored with my look and decide to wear a different look by growing a particular facial hairstyle, such as a beard. Among the styles I tried was growing my upper lip hair, the mustache. The question I often contemplate when I am growing a new facial hairstyle is, should your beard cover your upper lip? Sure, your beard can cover your upper lip. It is often a matter of preference. I understand that the beard covering the upper lip is like a common rule for bearded people. However, there are exceptions when it comes to styling the mustache. Your mustache style will basically determine how long the upper lip hair should grow and what shape it should take. I am certain that your upper lip beard can become one hell of a soap catcher, liquid trapper, or food capture zone, and when they cover your lips, it can become quite discomforting. The upper lip beard, is it important? Before we dive into the world of the mustache or the upper lip beard, I want you to understand that the mustache is a no-laughing matter. When done properly, it can truly set you apart from others in several ways, which can be termed sexy, handsome, dangerous, rebellious, or perhaps bold. Your mustache can enhance your overall look. Historically, the upper lip beard has been styled in many ways, and these different styles are referred to as the mustache. Over the past several centuries, the mustache has risen and fallen in fashion. The most recent fall was in the 1980s when the adult film industry hijacked the use of the mustache, making the average man avoid that facial hairstyle. Even so, that has never really stopped bold men from growing facial hair on their upper lip, nor has it stopped mustache fashion from evolving. In recent times, the upper lip beard has been trending, and people who have one or are thinking of growing one should know how to care for it. Don't you agree? As we proceed, we shall be talking about how to groom and maintain your upper lip beard, what style mustache would complement your face, and the tools you will need to keep a clean and healthy mustache. Grooming the upper lip beard. There are people who are born to have a great upper lip beard, and I am one of them. When I tell you about the mo, you should know I am speaking from experience. If you are like me and already have a beard, you've got yourself a head start. What if you don't have one? There is no problem, all you need to do is to grow one. Don't worry, I will show you how. It might look like a daunting task if you are starting out. However, what you need the most is patience. It can take several weeks or even up to 3 months to get your upper lip beard to grow. Facial hair is known to grow at approximately 0.4 millimeters daily. Hence, after some weeks of waiting, your upper lip beard should already be at a length where you can determine what style or shape you want it to take. You should pay attention to the hair growing just underneath your nose, let it grow out long and catch up with your upper lip beard. This will give you a complete bearded man look. If you are a true beard lover, then it is important for you to know the actual truth about the biggest beard growing myths. Therefore, check out the first link in the video description below this video and grab your free copy of the 7 biggest beard growing myths that you probably still believe in and what you can do to grow a beard faster. Maintaining your upper lip beard. Whether you are the type with a naturally full upper lip beard or you have to painstakingly grow it, one thing that never changes is the care and maintenance your beard requires. Your beard should be neat and uniform. That way, your beard will look good, clean, and appealing even before you begin crafting your mustache. Trimming. The beard covering your upper lip is no big deal. It is only natural that it does sometimes. Every bearded man will experience this phenomenon. It just keeps growing. Why should you consider trimming? Besides the fact that the beard always finds its way inside your mouth, your romantic partner may not appreciate kissing a mouthful of hair instead of your lips. Another thing you should watch out for is those pesky stray hairs. They can be really annoying. Trimming ensures that your beard is maintained and orderly. It helps you achieve that uniform length as well as get rid of strays. Trimming will help you achieve a beard that complements the shape of your face. If you are someone whose face is full of whiskers, you need to know how to trim a beard. You certainly can't be relying only on your barber to get that clean, orderly look every single time. Who has the time and money for that? You need to have some of those handy tools at home, so that you can use them for trimming your beard. Does trimming slow the growth of your upper lip beard? No. A beard trim will not slow down the growth of your hair. Rather, trimming should be considered as a sign of progress, meaning your beard is growing well. It's growing so well, you need to trim it to keep it looking its best. Trimming the right way. Trimming a beard goes beyond just a simple snip here and there. You need to get the angles right, you need to cut it all to an even length and make sure you don't leave any hairs hanging into your mouth or sticking out. A good way to trim your upper lip beard is to ensure that the mustache remains strong and thick on the lip but is kept out of the mouth. A beautiful, well-trimmed mustache should properly cover the area above your upper lip, and it should not leave your lip overly exposed. You wouldn't want to have a thin pencil-line upper beard, now would you? Unless it's the style you are comfortable with, just like Charlie Chaplin's, go with a fuller, thick style. A good trim will leave your upper lip beard strong and thick and get rid of pesky stray hairs. Furthermore, a good trim will facilitate eating and drinking. You should never be straining your food or drink through your mustache hairs. How often should you trim? To keep clean and neat whiskers, you should trim about 2 to 3 times a week, especially if you are the type whose facial hair grows rapidly. Trimming tools. Unless you are planning to have an uneven, stray hair-filled, jagged beard, you will need a good beard trimmer clipper for trimming. A comb and a brush are also critical tools that will help you set the hair into position. Facial hair scissors are used for detailing work to keep your upper lip beard in check and precisely trimmed. Care for your mustache just as you would care for your beard. It should be trimmed and shaped once you have grown it to the desired length. Pro tip: you should always trim your mustache when it is fully dry because when the hair is wet, it tends to relax and expand. If you trim wet, it will shrink up more than you expect, leaving you with a mustache that is too short. Combing and styling. Let's look at the styling process for your upper lip beard. Should you comb your mustache? Yes. Just as you comb your beard, you should comb your mustache, especially to straighten it out before trimming. A well-combed mustache is easier to style, and a good comb will do you a lot of good. It will enable you to easily apply and spread your favorite wax evenly before brushing it and arranging it into your desired style. Styling. When styling your mustache, it is important to always know the mustache style that will complement the shape of your face. As a common rule, men whose faces are fixed with a strong jaw are a better fit for carrying a full mustache, whereas those with oval or square-shaped faces will get a better look with a more subtle upper lip beard. Once you know what your desired look is, styling then plays a great role in achieving that desired appearance. Adding wax to your mustache will make your hair feel smooth with a healthy-looking sheen. When applying wax during your styling process, it is advisable to go easy and begin with a small quantity while using a comb to work the product through the hair gently. You can add more of the wax when you feel more is needed. Should you add too much, you might just get a grease-filled upper lip that looks weighed down. Washing your upper lip beard. How should you treat your upper lip beard? Just treat it as you would your regular hair or your prized beard. It is important that you shampoo and apply conditioner regularly to your mustache hair. Wash it regularly and care for both the facial skin and hair diligently. If you have a shorter upper lip beard, you can apply moisturizer to help nourish and soften the skin, and if you have long facial hair, beard oil will come in handy here. The oil can go deep through those thick hairs and nourish your facial skin when a moisturizer can't penetrate. Conclusion. Are you convinced? Your upper lip beard can be a lot more than the hair covering your upper lip. It can be a defining feature, an appearance enhancer, or just a way to flaunt your personality. As a general rule, it should be cared for with the attention it deserves. Washing, grooming and trimming should be practiced with pride, and you will be rewarded with a mustache that is attractive, clean, and easy to maintain. If you found the video helpful, show appreciation by giving it a thumbs up. Likewise, share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks and visit beardguidance.com. And don't forget to grab a free copy of the 7 biggest beard growing myths in the link below this video. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching.